What's up, kapatid? I just feel the urgency to talk about this topic about faith. No, masyado lang akong na-move doon sa homily ni Father. By the way, it's Father Binangbang, if I'm not mistaken. Pogi ni Father. Anyways, so going back doon sa topic natin, faith. Sabi niya, there are two ways, no, two signs na nag-grow pa yung faith mo. Una, if you are still patiently waiting for the will of the Lord, 'di ba? Ang tanong, sa mga bagay na hindi pa dumarating sa'yo, sa mga bagay na hindi pa binibigay ng Diyos sa'yo, naghihintay ka pa ba? 'Di ba? 'Yun. Tapos pangalawa, yung idea na ginagawa mo pa ba yung will ni God even if yung isang bagay hindi na dumarating sa'yo. Even if life is so struggling, life is so disappointing, are you still doing the will of the Lord? 'Di ba? Ang ganda nun. And in the end, sabi niya, while waiting, do we still do the things na ikalulugod ng Diyos? O baka naman hindi na. O, 'di ba? So, I'm just sharing this to you because I don't know who needs to hear this, but I think all of us talaga. Kasi nga sa mga nangyayari, whether you are in Luzon, Visayas, or in Mindanao, I think you need to hear this, that we should cling to that faith. No? And yun nga, in faith, we need to wait. And in faith, we need to do the will of the Lord. So yun lang. Have a blessed Sunday, everyone.